Titan's Edge Formula Review. Hey everyone and welcome back. Imagine hearing the sound of profits hitting your account before you've even finished your morning coffee. Sounds wild, right? Today I have something to show you. Titan's Edge Formula is positioned as a hands-on, 5-day masterclass focused on building wealth through short, focused trading sessions. Instead of learning dozens of strategies, you focus on one proven process that Sean has used for decades. The idea is to simplify trading, remove the noise, and teach you how to profit from microcap coins that the mainstream ignores, all while spending less than an hour a day. Stick around for exclusive bonuses worth more than $15,000. Let me explain what you will learn inside these 5-day live sprints. In short, Day 1 introduces the single trading skill that can create a freedom-based business and generate consistent income in under an hour a day. Day 2 teaches how to spot hidden microcap opportunities, verify them, and avoid costly mistakes. Day 3 focuses on building a repeatable system, developing a wealth mindset, and using the double tap strategy to multiply results. Day 4 is a live walkthrough where you apply the full process, filter trades, and turn it into a daily habit. Day 5 wraps up with celebrating wins, announcing prizes, and showing the next steps for long-term financial independence. I hope you understand briefly how Titan's Edge Formula works. Now, let's see the two OTOs of Titan's Edge Formula. First, there is the Titan's Edge Formula front end. To check the OTOs, check the link in the description. The first OTO is VIP Red Carpet Access. The VIP package offers exclusive Q&A with Sean, live trade reviews, bonus sessions, comprehensive workbooks, and 30-day access to recordings for continued learning and implementation. The second OTO is the Elite Inner Circle. Bonuses include mobile trading training, 10x success method, money management system, lifetime access, original masterclass, partner seat, and elite community status for deeper learning and recognition. I hope you understand how Titan's Edge Formula does its magic. It is a low one-time offer of $19. Take advantage of this amazing opportunity. If you want to check out the Titan's Edge Formula at any point, go ahead and click the link in the description. Now, here are some of the premium level bonuses that you will be receiving from the vendor himself. First, private Discord community group. Second, session transcripts. Third, Cliff Notes versions. Fourth, Q&A session. Fifth, bonus seat for your spouse as well. Number 6, replays for 24 hours. Also, here are the extra bonuses worth more than $8,000 that you will be getting from my end if you decide to purchase it from the link given in the description below. Titan's Edge Formula is more than training. It's your entry into a proven system that cuts through the noise and shows you how to generate real wealth. Success comes from action, not hesitation. The doors are open, the seats are limited, and now is the time. Join the 5-day sprint today and claim the future you deserve.